Need some quick wins for your business? AdWords is a great way to get more traffic. Here's how. Greetings, I'm Jonathan Engelbrecht, an inbound marketer for Impulse Creative. In AdWords, every click, view, or lost click either has a cost or an opportunity cost. Fine margins are often the difference between losing money or profitability, and negligence can cost far more than you think. These advanced tactics can help you turn your AdWords campaign into a professional powerhouse, leveraging settings and features you may not have known about or even tried. Check out the blog for more.